Hello, it's time for 3-day weather forecast from Nigerian Meteorological Agency. I am Suleiman Gurin. Wake up this Wednesday morning with moderate dust haze over part of Kano, Kaduna, Jigawa, and Yobe State, while the remaining states of the northern region and north central region will be in slight dust haze. The inner cities of the south, down to the coastal belt of the country, will be in slight dust haze with patches of clouds over part of inner cities of the south and down to the coastal belt of the country. But we anticipate thundery activities over part of Lagos, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom. Air quality index is showing very unhealthy over Gusau, while unhealthy for sensitive group over the coastal belt of the country, while unhealthy over the northern region. Temperatures is at the range of 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. The highest is 34 degrees Celsius with minimum temperature of 20 over Adamawa State. The north central region down to the inland cities of the south to the coastal belt of the country will record 36, 34, 35 degrees Celsius with minimum temperature of 18, 19, 17, 20, 21, and 24 degrees Celsius. By Thursday, slight dose haze is expected over the northern region, the north central, and part of the inland cities of the south throughout the forecast period, with few patches of clouds over the inland cities of the south. Mr. Fog patches will form very early in the morning, which will lift at sunrise to pave way for partly cloudy to cloudy atmosphere over the coastal states, with slim prospects of isolated thunderstorms over part of Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom in the late afternoon evening period. Air quality index is showing very unhealthy over Katsina and Gusau, while unhealthy with vulnerable group over the northern region and part of the north central to the inland cities of the south. Unhealthy for sensitive group over the coastal belt of the country. Temperatures is at the range of 28, 29, 30, 32, and the highest is 33 degrees Celsius with minimum temperature of 19 degrees Celsius over Adamawa State. The north central region down to the inland cities to the coastal belt of the country will record 36, 34, 35 degrees Celsius with minimum temperature of 19, 18, 17, 20, 21, and 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. By Friday, slight dose haze is expected throughout the forecast period over the northern region, the north central, down to the inland cities of the south, with few patches of cloud over the inland cities of the south down to the coastal belt of the country. But we expect mist and fog patches to form very early in the morning over the coastal belt of the country, which will lift at sunrise to give way for partly cloudy to cloudy atmosphere, with slim prospects of isolated thunderstorms over part of Delta, Rivers, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom State in the late afternoon evening period. Temperatures is at the range of 28, 29, 30, 32, and 33 degrees Celsius over the northern region with minimum temperature of 9, 7, and 14 degrees Celsius. 36, 34, 35 degrees Celsius with minimum temperature of 17, 18, 20, 22, and 24 degrees Celsius over the north central, the inland cities of the south down to the coastal belt of the country. And that's our beautiful 3-day weather forecast. Thank you for watching and keep on watching weather forecast.